Good morning and welcome to another episode of Great Handyman's Home Remodeling Videos. Today we have a broken step up here that we're going to try and patch with some concrete. Let's begin. So here's our broken corner. You can see the concrete's going to have to be rather thick so it can stick vertically. I may even have to support it with a piece of cardboard or something to hold it up there until it dries, until I can shape it a little bit more. The plan is to use this vinyl concrete patching mix. This stuff can be spread down to as thin as a 1/16 of an inch and it'll still hold up. It's for steps, curbs, sidewalks, floors, patios, just about anything you need it for. It's got vinyl added to it for a real strong hold. Okay, the first thing we're going to want to do is clean out everything that we can get out of here that's loose, like leaves and small rocks and pebbles, especially on this side where it's broken. We want to get it really cleaned off for a good stick. Okay, we got two clean buckets here. We're going to put some of our vinyl mix into this bucket. I'm going to mix up more than I'm going to need because it's just so hard to mix up a small amount. Add some fresh, cool water. Okay, I've got it mixed pretty good, but you can probably see that it's still too thin and runny to be shaping it into a corner for a concrete step. So I'm going to add a little bit more powder to this mix, thicken it up just a little bit more. See, that's getting to the point where it'll peak, which means it won't be long and it'll be able to shape it. Now we can either add a little bit more powder to get this thicker, or I can let this set for 10 or 15 minutes and it'll get thicker. I think I'm going to add a little bit more powder. There, I think we've reached a good consistency. I'll be able to shape it and form it, especially if I give it just a few minutes to start setting up. Always remember to clean your tools. Alright, now I've brought this piece of cardboard that I can stand up right against the steps here, and something to weight it down just while I'm using it. And that'll help me keep the concrete in this area, and before it dries completely I'll take this cardboard off and shape and float out the front of it. So I want to kind of throw little bits down inside, try and make sure that it's all getting filled up and that there's not a pocket of air. Also, this is always going to look like a patch. This is never going to look like it was perfect again. Alright, so we just need to let that set up and dry for a little bit. I'm going to turn the camera off, but I'll turn it back on in a few minutes. And I'll remove this cardboard and we'll start shaping the front. We'll get some water in here and we'll clean this up, and it should turn out real nice. So I removed the cardboard and I've used my trowel now to help shape the front of it. And now I'm using the weight of this bucket to hold the trowel up. And it's just going to sit there and hold it for a while, because this is still pretty pliable stuff. I mean, it wouldn't take much to damage the corner if I took the trowel off right now. So I'm going to let that dry up just a little bit, and we'll come back later and we'll check on this. So here's our repaired step a day after, allowing some drying time. Patches are always going to be visible, but it's the strength that I was after, and being able to go down to a real thin layer and still be able to maintain the durability. I used vinyl concrete for this, not just ordinary concrete, but vinyl concrete. It has different properties to it and sets up really firm and strong. So that's it. That's how to repair a broken step. This is Great Handyman saying thanks for watching Great Handyman Home Remodeling Videos. We'll see you real soon.